Hey everyone! So, let's talk about a huge challenge for e-commerce developers right now, getting your backend ready for the future, for all this AI-driven shopping. It really all comes down to a standard called UCP, and today we're going to look at a new tool that makes becoming compliant, well, surprisingly easy.
So let's just start with the main question. If you're a Python developer and you're building a custom or headless e-commerce system, you're probably hearing more and more about this thing called the Universal Checkout Protocol, or UCP. And yeah, getting compliant with it can feel like a pretty big hurdle.
You know the drill with any new spec, right? It's all this manual work. You've got to dig through long documents, you're handcrafting these complex JSON files, and you're constantly second-guessing, am I actually 100% compliant? The bottom line is, you end up wasting hours on protocol boilerplate instead of focusing on what really matters, your business logic.
And this is exactly the problem that FastUCP was built to solve. It's a Python framework built right on top of the amazing FastAPI, and it has just one goal, to let you build UCP-compliant servers and do it fast.
Honestly, the best way to think about it is like this. It's the FastAPI for USCP. It's a perfect analogy. Just like FastAPI takes care of all the messy complexities of web standards like OpenAPI for you, FastUSCP handles all the tricky protocol details of USCP automatically.
So how fast are we talking? Well, you can get a fully compliant server up and running in just 3 simple steps. Seriously, let's just walk through them right now.
Step 1, it's as simple as it gets. A standard pip install FastUCP Python. That's it.
Okay, step 2 is the code. And look how little there is. First, you just initialize the app, just like you would with FastAPI. Then you define your endpoint using this special @app.checkout decorator. And finally, you use the type-safe CheckoutBuilder to put together your response. This little guy handles all that complex JSON generation for you.
And boom, here's the magic. The second you run that code, FastUCP gives you 2 crucial endpoints. You get the /checkout sessions endpoint that you just wrote, but it also automatically generates the /well-known/UCP discovery profile right from your code. No more creating those files by hand. And this simple shift makes a huge difference. The old way meant manually editing JSON and always worrying about typos and errors. The FastUCP way is all auto-discovery, straight from your Python code, which guarantees compliance. It just transforms this slow, tedious process into something that's fast and actually enjoyable for developers.
Now, under the hood, this thing is built on really solid foundations. It uses the official Pydantic models from Google, so you know all your data structures are correct. It even has helpful built-in presets for Google Pay and Apple Pay. And best of all, it's completely open source and community-driven. But hey, don't just take my word for it. You can actually validate your new server in minutes. All you have to do is use a tool like ngrok to expose your local server to the web. Then head over to this fantastic community tool at UCPtools.dev. Just paste in your URL and you'll get an instant report on your UCP compliance. It's awesome.
So if you're a Python developer working in e-commerce, the path forward is pretty clear. You can install the library, go check out the source code on GitHub to see exactly how it works, and validate your very first build. All right now. Okay, before we finish up, just one important note. The Universal Checkout Protocol itself is an open standard from Google and Shopify. FastUCP and UCPtools.dev are independent, open-source community projects that were built to support it. And really, tools like these are what empower all of us developers to innovate. So the final question is, what will you build with all the time you save?